How to prevent burnout in reproductive cancer awareness events. Preventing burnout in reproductive cancer awareness events is crucial for maintaining a healthy and effective advocacy community. Burnout often stems from physical, emotional, and mental exhaustion, especially when dealing with heavy topics like testicular cancer, cervical cancer, and other reproductive cancers. This can happen when individuals face overwhelming demands and do not take enough time to rest and recharge. One effective strategy is to distribute responsibilities among a diverse group of volunteers and staff. By sharing tasks and creating teams with clear roles, you can help avoid overburdening any single individual. This not only reduces fatigue but also fosters a sense of community and support among participants. Setting realistic goals and boundaries is another important step. Establish achievable objectives for each event or campaign. This helps prevent overcommitment and encourages everyone to set personal limits on the hours they dedicate to planning and outreach activities. It is essential to recognize that everyone has different capacities, and respecting those limits can significantly reduce stress. Incorporating rest and recovery time into your event schedule is vital. Make sure to schedule breaks during events and allow downtime between activities. Encourage self-care practices such as mindfulness, physical activity, and adequate sleep for all involved. These practices can help refresh the mind and body, making participants more effective in their roles. Providing training and resources is also beneficial. Equip volunteers and advocates with education on stress management and emotional resilience. Teaching them how to recognize signs of burnout can empower them to take action before reaching a breaking point. Access to counseling or peer support groups can also be a valuable resource. Celebrating small wins and acknowledging contributions regularly can help maintain motivation. Recognizing progress and the impact of their efforts can counteract feelings of exhaustion and reminded everyone of the purpose behind their hard work. Engaging in diverse activities can keep the energy high and reduce monotony. Varying event formats, such as educational talks, physical activities like walks or yoga, and social gatherings, can make participation more enjoyable and dynamic. Leveraging community partnerships is another effective way to share resources and broaden support networks. Collaborating with local organizations, healthcare providers, and advocacy groups can lessen individual workloads and create a more robust support system. Using digital tools wisely can streamline communication and event management. However, it is important to avoid digital overload by setting limits on virtual meeting times and notifications. This helps maintain focus and reduces the stress associated with constant connectivity. Encouraging a personal connection to the cause can sustain emotional energy. Reminding participants of the meaningful impact of their work in improving awareness, early detection, and support for reproductive cancers can keep spirits high. Finally, planning for sustainability is key. Develop long-term strategies that allow for periodic rest phases between major campaigns or events. This prevents continuous high-intensity efforts that can lead to burnout. By applying these strategies in the context of reproductive cancer awareness events, you can help ensure ongoing public education about prevention, screening, and treatment options while also prioritizing the well-being of those driving the cause.